Okay, there are two types of energy resources, conventional and non-conventional. Let us study conventional sources of energies. We get this energy from coal, petroleum, natural gas and electricity. Let us study them individually. Coal, most abundantly available fossil fuel in India. So coal is a fossil fuel which is abundantly available in India, used for power generation to supply energy to industry as well as for domestic needs. We know for what coal is used for. Formed due to compression of plant material over millions of years. It is formed due to compression of plant material over millions of years. Depending on the degrees of compression, depth and time of burial during its formation, we have four varieties of coal. So these varieties of coal which we have found, that is peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite. These are formed which are formed due to different types of degrees of compression, different types of depth they are found, and different time for burial. So based on these factors, these four types of coals are, or varieties of coals are found. Peat and lignite, both of them are low quality because they have less or low carbon content, while bituminous and anthracite, they are good quality of coal as they have high grade of carbon content. Let us study them. Peat, it has low carbon content and low heating capacity. Due to low carbon content, low heating capacity. Lignite, it is also low grade brown coal, soft with high moisture content and are used for electricity generation. It has moisture content, so it doesn't give out or it doesn't burn very quickly. Bituminous, high grade bituminous coal is ideal metallurgy and most popular for commercial use. Anthracite, which also is highest quality of hard coal and good for burning and using in the electrical industries or for producing energy. Now let us study occurrence of coal in India. Where do we find coal? In India, coal occurs in rock series of two main geological ages. Gondwana coal and tertiary coal. Gondwana means peninsular plateau where we find this kind of coal, and tertiary coal is we find it in northeastern states. Now let us study Gondwana coal. It is formed over 200 million years ago. As we know, Gondwana was the oldest landform. So it is formed over 200 million years ago. Major sources of Gondwana coal are Damodar Valley, that is West Bengal and Jharkhand. Jharia, Raniganj and Bokaro are important coal fields. They are also present in the Godavari, Mahanadi, Son and Wardha river valleys. Further, tertiary coal. It is found in the northeastern states, as I told you, like Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. So these are the occurrence of coal in India. Two forms, Gondwana and tertiary. Points to be remembered. Coal is a bulky material. It's a bulky material. It loses weight on use when it reduces to ashes. When we burn coal, it reduces its weight and it converts into ashes. Heavy industries and thermal power stations are located near coal field. Earlier we have discussed, due to reduce the transportation cost, these industries are located near coal mines.